To learn and let learn. Today I'm going to tell you two different models of time and work. These are also models that you almost find in many of the competitive exams like AFCAT, GDSE, NDA. So the question seems like this. 10 women can complete work in 7 days. 10 boys can complete work in 14 days. How many days will 5 women and 10 boys will be able to complete work? So far we have seen problems on different like alternate days models or different people working on different days. So we have seen all these models, but these type of models we haven't seen. So if you haven't watched the other videos, you can watch by clicking the link above. And now let us solve the problem. So in tackling these type of problems, first you should do is, we know that if suppose instead of 10 women, if it is given as a woman can complete in 7 days. Instead of 10 boys, if it is given a boy can complete in 14 days. So we would do it as like, okay, women will take 1 by 10th part of the work in 1 day. So right. So for such type of problem, so we have to consider 10 women, right? Instead of 1, you'll write 10. 10 women will be able to complete 1 by 7th part of the work in 1 day. So this is 10 women. So instead of 1 by W, I'm writing 10 by W. So it is 10 women can complete in 1 by 7th part of the work in 1 day. So this is unit method. If you haven't seen what unit method or LCM method is, you can click on the channel and watch the videos. So 10 by W is equal to 1 by 7. And now 10 boys can complete in 14 days. Similarly, as 10 by W, we'll have 10 by B. They will be completing the work in 14 days. Now he's asking how many days will 5 women and 10 boys will complete the work. So 5 women is 5 by W, similar to 10 by 11, and 10 boys is similar to 10 by B is how much. So we know this information. So from that we have to find out this. So it's very simple. You might have got the idea right by now. So 10 by W we know. So 1 by W is nothing but 1 by 70, and 10 by B is 1 by 14. So 10 comes this side, it will be 1 by B is equal to 1 by 40, and we got to substitute 1 by W and 1 by B in this equation. So it will be 5 into 1 by 70 plus 10 into 1 by 140. We can make it as 2 5s are 2 7s are 70s are. So this will become LCM is same 70. So this will become 10 by 70, which is nothing but 1 by 7. The final conclusion is, so 5 women and 10 boys will take 7 days of time to complete the work. So this is how you should solve such type of problem. These are also found in class 10 time and work problems. So they are very simple, but this idea is really important, forming equation from the question. The next question is, 4 men can complete work in 8 days. 3 men can complete work in 3 men and 7 women can complete work in 10 days. So 4 men and 6 women in 8 days, 3 men and 7 women in 10 days. So from the previous problem, you should be able to write the equation for this question. So 4 women is nothing but 4 by M plus 6 women is nothing but 6 by W can complete work in 8 days. So they will be completing together 1 by 8th part of the work in 1 day, and 3 men plus 7 women can complete in 10 days. So 3 men and 7 women together will be completing 1 by 10th of the part together in 1 day. So you have to solve this and find out how many days will men alone take and how many days will women alone take. So both the procedure is simple for both men and women. So let us find out for men here. So we can find out for men here or women here. So for that it is very simple. Either you have to cancel out men or women. So if you want to find out men, if you want to find out that of men, you have to make this 6 by W and 7 by W equal in the both the equations, just like subtracting the equation 2 from the equation 1. So let us find out women's now. So to find out women, let me write it as like this: 6 by W is equal to 1 by 8. I'm subtracting the second equation from the first equation. So 3 by M plus, if you understood the method, you can skip this part because it's just a solving part. I'm just trying to explain here. So if you want to solve, if you want to subtract the second number from this first number, either of these two must be equal, right? Then we can easily cancel them out and then we can find out either of them.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply, I'm going to take LCM of this 4 and 3. So if I'm going to multiply this with 4, I'm going to multiply with this with 3 on all the sides, so on both sides. So that would seem like 12 by m plus 18 by m is equal to 3 by 8. And now this would seem like 12 by m plus 7 for the 28 women is equal to 4 by 10. I'm subtracting these two. So these two gets cancelled. So it is nothing but 18 by m minus 28 by, sorry, this is w. 18 by w is equal to 28 minus w. You might find out like this will be a negative number. So even this will be a negative number because the equation correlation will be should be satisfied. So 3 by 8 minus 4 by 10. This is a negative number. So this is how much, minus 10 by w. This is also nothing but, so if you take LCM of 10 and 8, so I hope you know how to take LCM. So 8 and 10 you'll be writing and you'll be taking out the prime factor. So I'm multiple. So if I divide both the numbers with 2, it will be 4 comma 5. So 5 for the 20, 22 is a 40. 40 is the LCM. Okay. So 40 is the LCM. It will be 15 minus 40. 4 for 16. Okay. Sorry. 8 5s are 40. So 3 5s are 15. So 10 4s are 40. 4 4 are 16. It will be minus 1 by 40. So from this correlation, what you can find out is it is minus 1 by 40. 16, so 400, right? So 10 will come this side, 10 into 400. So that will become nothing but women will be doing taking work to do in 400 days. Quite a large. So that's how it is. So thank you for staying up so long. Please do subscribe. Thank you.